Have you ever felt like your mind is just cluttered? Like there's so much going on in your head you can't even figure out your next step? That's exactly where I've been. So today I'm sharing the one thing that helped me get clarity, get calm, and get unstuck. Before we dive in, if you've been needing a reset of your own, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, this series is for you. Subscribe and join me as we reset together, one layer at a time. In the past few weeks, my mind has been all over the place. I've had those motivated days where I wake up ready to go. And then other days, especially recently, where I've had to literally parent myself, pushing through just to do the basic things that I know I need to do. And then it finally led me here, to journaling. I wouldn't consider myself to be a big journaler, but in this season of life, it's showing me why it matters and what journaling can actually do for your mind. After a much needed prayer session and time alone with God, I wanted to record a video, but I could barely collect my thoughts. Like, what am I saying? So I picked up my journal. What I didn't expect is how powerful it would be for me. Writing forced me to slow down. It made me think more clearly because I couldn't just edit and erase. It became a mental release. And I honestly didn't realize how much I needed that. Journaling helped me understand what I was actually thinking. It helped me see where I was emotionally and mentally, and even why I had been stuck. It's not just a place to vent. It's a way to track how far you've come, especially if you haven't written in a while and suddenly realize the growth that's happened between pages. I felt lighter afterwards, like I cleared space in my brain just by putting words on paper. If you've been needing clarity or peace, maybe it's time to just write it down. I'll link one of my favorite writers here on YouTube below. She's an author, but her writing tips are great even if you're just journaling for yourself. Sometimes your reset doesn't start with cleaning your room or organizing your to-do list. Sometimes it starts by clearing your mind. So I encourage you, grab a notebook and just write. No rules, no pressure, just release. And if you try it, come back and let me know how it went or what surprised you. Until next time, take care of your mind, your spirit, and your peace.